amoy. Tikman nyo.
This thing really works.
Yes, sir. We live with them. Yeah, but you and I just show them how to use it and how to use it. Yung bakwa. Yung bakwa. Mabilis lang, sir. Mabilis lang. Dali-dali. So, ito pag yung instruction, we now stockpile this also in our armory. So when you go there, kompleto na talaga. Food, sleeping, clothing, cooking.
Dati yung bandi.
Biling tayo.
Oo, maganda. We have the different levels. We get the family, we get
Cooking. Hygiene is there.
hygiene. Ready to eat. Ready to eat.